Imagine a quiet room, the soft glow of a desk lamp illuminating the space. A vintage typewriter sits patiently, its keys waiting to be pressed. As fingers hover over the letters, a sense of anticipation fills the air. With a gentle tap, the first key is struck, producing a delicate, rhythmic sound that resonates softly. Each keystroke creates a hypnotic melody, a combination of clicks and clacks, echoing the artistry of written words. The typewriter's inner workings come alive, as the sound of the carriage moving adds layers to this serene symphony. Each letter, a note in a calming composition, brings comfort and nostalgia. The gentle tapping invites focus, allowing thoughts to flow freely. The soundscape evolves with pauses that enhance the atmosphere, moments where silence reigns, only to be filled once more with the satisfying rhythm of typing. This auditory experience is a journey into tranquility, where the simple act of writing becomes a meditative ritual. As the tapping continues, let it wash over you, reducing the noise of the world outside, creating a cocoon of peace where creativity and serenity intertwine.